Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the delicious world of sesame-folded soft steamed pancakes. Let's dive right in. Start by blending all-purpose flour, yeast, sugar, and warm milk. Stir until it forms a fluffy texture, then knead it into a smooth dough. Allow it to rise until it doubles in size, then give it a good deflate. Divide the dough into 4 portions and roll each into a thin round sheet. Brush the sheet with olive oil and sprinkle with a layer of seasoned salt. Now, here's where the magic happens. Cut 1/3 deep into the sheet at 1/3 of its length. Mirror this cut on the opposite side. Lift 2 corners and fold them toward the center. Fold it again toward the center. Make 2 symmetrical cuts at the mirrored point and fold those toward the center. Repeat until the sheet is folded into a square. Roll it out again. Sprinkle with sesame seeds and steam for 18 minutes. Give it a final touch by pan frying until both sides are slightly golden. And there you have it, sesame folded soft steamed pancakes, ready to be cut into your desired size. Give this recipe a go and share your thoughts. Layers upon layers, soft and warm, this dish is a crowd pleaser for all ages. It's a delightful harmony of taste, texture, and presentation. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one.